Take out the machine and all its fittings. Install holders. The machine is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can be used to replace a broken fuse. If the machine's fuse is damaged, level the placement and install it slowly with a screwdriver. Remove it and replace it with the spare mount LY pads. One of the pads connecting wire A to I. Many breast pads. Mandapass connecting wires J to K. Put the pass back to the holder in order. Install the power cord. Do it in a left-right order. Lay the arms flatwise and apply essence oil from the lower arm to the upper arm with 2 hands till the hands slide out, and repeat it for 3 times. Push the entire arm with 2 pumps doing the bi terms. Repeat 3 times. Push large intestine channel air I San Jiao channel SJ, small intestine channel C of the outer arm to your armpit, which the V-shape way. Be the area between thumb and the index finger of 2 hands. Repeat 3 times. Correspond to treaty depart. Repeat 3 times. Wrap the 3 channels and the glottis back and forth with the middle fingers till it becomes hot. Repeat 3 times. Caress the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Lay the arm upwards and push lung channel air, pericardium channel. T of the inner arm to your armpit with the V-shaped area between thumb and index finger. Repeat 3 times. Press the treated part. Repeat 3 times. Rub the 3 channels and clitoris back and forth with leaning fingers till it becomes hot. Repeat 3 times. Crease the treated part till the hams slide out. Repeat 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Drainage channels and the cladders with LY pad. EMS can form skin drainage channels and the cladders and adjust the metabolism. Set time to 15 minutes and set energy level between 1 and 3. Fasten the band onto arms. Don't make it too tight and adjust it to a proper level, otherwise it may make people feel uncomfortable. Apply a proper amount of gel to LY pad. Fasten LY pad onto the fat part of arms. Press start and wait for 15 minutes. Take out LY pad and untie the band. Remove gel from the arms with towel. Up oil into abdomen by moving in circular motion with both hands. Do 3 repetitions of the technique. Knead abdomen alternately with both hands. Do 3 to 5 repetitions of the technique. Combine both hands to knead the area around belly butto by moving in small circles. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Combine both hands to knead the area around the belly butto by moving in big circles. Do 16 repetitions of the technique. Push along the lowest ribs towards the 2 sides of waist with both hands 3 to 5 times. Push alternately from one side, waist to belly buttock, with both hands 3 to 5 times. Push alternately from one side of waist to groin, with both hands 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side. Unblock meridians with EMS patches. EMS patches can help tighten ski, unblock meridians and regulate metabolism. 15 minutes is recommended. 1, 2, 3 NS level is recommended. Wrap the biting strip around the target area. Do not wrap it too tight, otherwise there's discomfort. Apply sun gel evenly to the EMS patches. Fix the patches on the fat area of abdomen and waist. Press button to begin treatment. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove the patches and untie the strip. Web gel of abdomen and waist with tower.